Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let us begin with understanding that why did Gregor Mendel choose Pisum sativum, commonly known as the green pea plant. Mendel thought that he would require a plant which is perennial and not annual. Literally, we can say that perennial plants can last for long period of time. Here, we come to know that plants can grow and reproduce in a recurrent fashion. The plant should have a small life cycle. It should be able to grow quickly. And in addition to it, Mendel also wanted a plant that would not require many exclusive conditions to grow. Minimal requirements should be adequate for the growth of the plant. To understand the overall crossing results of different varieties of plants, Mendel decided to have the required contrasting traits in the plants. It means that one character should have two contrasting traits. For example, the flower color in green pea is purple and in some plants it is white. So, here we come to know that purple and white are contrasting traits that could help him in his experiments. So, what are the contrasting characters that Mendel found in the green pea plants? There are 7 pairs of contrasting characters which were chosen by Mendel in the pea plant. The first character Mendel chose is height of the plant. The contrasting traits were tall and dwarf. Next, coming to color of the flower, the contrasting traits were purple colored flowers and white colored flowers. Next, position of the flower, that could be axial and terminal. Axial means the flowers shoot off from the middle of the stem. Terminal means the flower is situated at the top of the plant stem. The next character chosen is shape of the seed. Green pea plant consists of 2 types of seeds. First type is round and smooth. Second type is rough or wrinkled with scales. Next, coming to seed color. The contrasting traits in this seed color are yellow and green colors of the seeds. Actually, what is a pod? A case that holds the plant seeds is called as pod. The next character is pod color. The 2 contrasting traits were green and yellow colored pods. And last, contrasting traits are of the pod shape. Green pea pods can be either inflated or constricted. So, with these pairs of contrasting characters, Mendel began his experiments. By these, we came to know that what are the requirements did he take into consideration. Now, let us have a look on what are the experiments he has done and what are the conclusions he made from it. We have 7 pairs of contrasting characters which were chosen by Gregor Mendel for his experiments on green pea plant. Here is a table that has 7 pairs of contrasting characters and their traits. Actually, what is the aim of Mendel's experiment? He thought of beginning with trying to understand what happens on crossing the plants with contrasting traits. Like other scientists, Mendel also thought that purple flowers gives us another plant with purple flowers only, and in the same way, white colored flowers gives another plant with white flowers only. He felt very anxiety to know what will happen if a purple flowered plant are crossed with white flowered variety. The result could be the flowers with intermediate colors. But what was the Mendel got actually when he do that? Let us have a look what are the results he got. Before knowing the results, we must know how the process of crossing is carried out. First, we should select the male and female plants. Now, the pea plant being bisexual has both male and female reproductive parts in the same plant. So, we can choose the purple flower of male and white flower to be female and vice versa. Friends, do you know what is emasculation? So, before this process, we need to know the term emasculation. Masculine means refers to male. Emasculation defines that removal of male reproductive parts. Now, in this case, the female flowers on the respective plant is emasculated first. Let us consider two flowers to understand the concept of crossing. Now, anther of this flower is removed, and removal of anther makes the flower unable to get self-pollinated. Now, this female flower is dusted with pollen grains from the male flower such that pollination can be ensured, so that fertilization could be successfully done when plant can develop its flowers. In this way, the crossing will be done. Now, let's come back to Mendel's experiments. Mendel crossed a plant of purple flowers with plant of white flowers. He expected that results would be formation of intermediate between purple and white colored plants. But to his astonishment, he obtained all the plants in the progeny to be purple colored. Next, he started crossing the purple colored flowers from this progeny with each other. He got another set of astonishing results. If purple flowered plants are crossed among each other, we should obtain which variety? Simply, we would get all the plants with purple colored flowers. That is, most of us would think. But Mendel obtained few flowers with white color and few flowers with purple color. On average, he got 75% plants with purple flowers and 25% plants with white flowers. How could this possible? How can white colored flowers could get from purple colored flowers? Let us try to understand about this in the upcoming parts of my videos. Thank you for watching. Friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe.